Welcome to Dalian Pro Work Order Processing. To create a new work order entry, we select Work Orders and Work Order from the pull-down menu. To create a new work order entry, we add New Work Order. This screen is the primary interface for entering information into Dalian. All the information required to enter information into Dalian is obtained through pull-down menus, with the exception of the downtime of the incident and the details related to the specific work activity conducted. On the equipment, we can select any equipment in the plant. We select the subcomponents to the primary equipment. Then we would enter the details, and we have several options at the bottom. We can cancel the work order. We can save it and keep the work order open if there's follow-up activities required. If all the work was completed, then we would save and close the work order. To review open work orders, we select Work Orders from the main menu and Work Orders from the pull-down menu. The listing displayed is the open work orders currently in the system. Any work orders that are scheduled for a future date show up here. The box will be checked and there will be a date for the actual scheduled task to take place. To review the details of any particular work order, we click Details. The information on the left-hand side was entered from the original breakdown. The equipment name and its subcomponent. To make any changes to the work order, we select Edit, and in the corrective action, we indicate the task that was completed. If there was any parts used during this activity, we would select the parts. If we've made an error and wish to remove these parts, we'll click Remove. And again, as work orders, we can cancel, we can save and keep open if there's follow-up work required, or we can save and close. To review open PM work orders, we select Work Orders from the main menu and PM work orders from the pull-down menu. This screen shows all the open work orders currently in Dalian. The schedule date indicates these are scheduled. We have an option to cycle through the various screens for additional information. We can select the equipment that we're interested in. These would be all the PMs open for the cockpit conveyor. If it's scheduled for a future date, the date will be here and the box will be checked. If we wish to review the details, we select Details, and this provides us the PM information screen. Provides a work order number, the PM number, the trade it's assigned to, the group, it's completed every 28 days, the visual work instruction name, and the assigned time is 15 minutes. If we wish to schedule this PM for a future date, we would select Work Scheduled and select the date. Here we will do it on the 19th. And again, as work orders, we can cancel, save and keep open if there's follow-up work required, or we can save and close. To review closed work orders, we select Work Orders from the header, Work Orders from the menu. We uncheck the box which will show us all closed work orders within Dalian. We can cycle through the various screens. We can select it by the various equipment components and its subcomponents. We can search by the work order number, or we can search off of the date rate.